Hello, in this video of Excel tutorial, I am going to tell you how to hide or prevent a formula to get displayed in this formula bar. But if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, subscribe it now as there are more videos to come. Let's get started. I have this simple Excel sheet with me with a couple of formulas like sum, average, max and mean. So what are we going to do? We are going to hide a formula of all these four cells to be displayed in formula bar. You can see the formula is displayed here, but we are going to hide this. To start with it, we need to select the full sheet. To do that, click right here at the very corner or click anywhere outside the table. Not the table, but anywhere a little away from the table and select Ctrl A. Let's select the sheet again. Right click on it and select Format Cell. Then go to Protection tab. Remember, we only want to hide and not lock any cell. So uncheck this lock option and click OK. After doing this, select all your cells that you want to hide the formula. Right click and select Format Cell. On Protection tab, check this hidden option and click OK. Now the last step is to protect our sheet so that our formula should not be visible till the sheet is locked. Go to Review tab and click Protect Sheet. Keep everything unchanged and add a password. Mine is 123. Enter. Let's retype my password 123. We are done. Now our formula is not visible to anyone. You can see all the cells are visible in our formula tab, but when I click on this formula, nothing is visible on our formula tab. It is editable. I can edit anything because it is not locked, but the visibility of the formula is not shown, is hidden. Let's undo all the changes and make our sheet without any hidden formula. Let's first unprotect our sheet, then select our cell with formula, right click and select Format Cell. Uncheck this hidden option. Now select all the cells of the sheets, right click and select Format Cell and check this locked again. Done. Our formulas are visible now. That's all for this video. Hit that like button if you really like my video and subscribe to my channel now. Thank you.